Alright, it is recording. What?
Would you tighten it a little?
Tighten your helmet? What, the strap's loose? Try that. Try that. That thing's sweet. I gotta start my bike.
Milo already knows. Milo already knows.
Oh shit, I forgot to. I don't know if mine's recording. No. Now it is. Now don't forget I can't hear anything on this thing. Hey, be careful with traffic and at stoplights and stuff like that. Try not to turn your head a lot because when you turn your head, the camera moves. Remember that.
Last time we posted, we were on your bike. going way past the trail, so I'm going.
Hey. Oh, look.
I should have worn my pants.
Yeah.
I can't turn with this thing.
I just got you dropping it in the road. I got that on camera.
Whatever.
My battery's like already dead. No lie. We're gonna go down to the first road and turn around.
Yeah, I know there's a dog.
Look both ways. Now we can go one more. Yeah. We're gonna have to go straight home after though.
Why don't we just turn back then? Because we need to save battery to going up the hill.
That's okay. We want to have fun, don't we?
Yeah, but I don't want you to stop at halfway.
They're already at about halfway.
Yeah, we're not going to go straight through and cut through to get home. We're going to go up the hill, right?
Let's go down to that sign and then we'll turn around and go home.
All right. I'm going to be scared.
All right, do it to it. You want me to go first?
No, I'll go first.
All right, go. Oh no. Yeah, we definitely got to turn around soon.
No, there's a giant puddle over there.
Yeah, let's turn around. Turn around in this grass. You got it. Big loop.
Yeah, that was a cat.
Yeah, at first I thought it was a bunny and then I saw that it was black. Give it gas. Good job. Bumps, you can stand up if you get scared.
I know.
All right, careful. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. Straight home. You want me to go first? I think you should go first. Just hold it wide open throttle the whole way up the hill, alright? Just wide open throttle all the way to the top. You got this. Alright. You want me to go ahead?
Yeah, so I can know
Alright,
it's
follow me.
Let's go.
Yep, I'm not gonna go in. No, it's a hacky.
My freaking battery is crying.